Hello friends! Today we are going to draw Super Mario cute and funny. First, let's draw Mario's eyes and nose. Next, two eyebrows. Now draw Mario's mustache. Then, draw Mario's face. His ears. And of course, Mario's special hat with the letter M in front. Now draw a line down for Mario's arms. Let's make his overalls. Add Mario's hands. And finally, his two legs. Great job! Now let's outline the drawing to make it clearer. Our Mario drawing is done. It's time to color together. Let's start with black for parts of the eyes, eyebrows, and ears. White for the eyeballs. Blue for the rest of the eyes. Now color Mario's overalls blue. Yellow for the buttons. Brown for his hair and mustache. Cream for the face and ears. And of course, red for Mario's shirt and hat. Use dark red for the inside of the hat. Oh yes, don't forget, Mario's nose is the same color as his face. You did amazing! Our Super Mario drawing is finished. Thank you for drawing and coloring with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel so you won't miss the next drawing video. Thank you so much, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.